The GaTAPP program is available for teachers that do not have a PSC certificate. So what we do is we offer the program for them to take so that they can become a certified teacher in the state of Georgia.
GaTAPP was the pathway that's allowed me to continue teaching. My degree allowed me to get hired as a teacher, but GaTAPP allowed me to stay a teacher by allowing me to get my certification officially.
GaTAPP has benefited our school by ensuring that we have qualified teachers that will help to educate our future leaders.
I was a career changer a little bit later in life, so a non-traditional educator, and I honestly feel like it gave me a leg up, and that joining the classroom, being in the classroom for the first time later in life, I feel like it prepared me pretty properly to handle the demands of the classroom.